Hi everyone, I hope this video is finding you doing well. I wanted to come and make a quick video working on the digestive system, just certain areas of the digestive system. I have several videos in my playlist as it relates to working on the digestive system, and actually they're done kind of in a different view, and I'm only working with one hand. But today I wanted to come on and do one in this view, and in case some of you haven't seen those others in my playlist, just wanted to make sure I have an updated one here for you to explore. So as always, I like to get started with getting hydrated and drinking water. So if you're going to join me in doing this, I recommend that you drink water as well. Give me just a moment, please. Okay. And I am using a new lotion that I recently got, and I wanted to try it out just in doing some body work. I've been enjoying it, just using it just for moisturization, but let's see how it does today. So it's vitamin C and turmeric, so very good for well-being. Get a little more here. Okay. So I mentioned I'm going to work on the digestive system, and the digestive system is found on the left foot. So I'm going to be doing the demonstration here. So just rubbing in just a little more. So I'm going to show you the area and how to block off to actually work on your digestive system. Right in here is the stomach, and I'm going to show you how to work that stomach in one direction. And what's interesting is that it comes to right here, and then it curves around like a backward C and comes all the way to the hip line. Also right in here you can find the esophagus that works down in the stomach, and then right in here is the mouth. So we'll get started with working just a little bit here in the mouth area. And so what's interesting is when I work, in this area, my mouth sometimes tends to get a little watery, which is good. The juice is flowing. I know that may be too much information, but that's actually what typically takes place for me. And if you see some of my other videos, you hear me talk about that. So right in here, as I mentioned, you can find the esophagus, and so I'm going to do just a little bit of work in there. I actually find when I do the other videos, when I've done the other videos doing the digestive system, I actually find that I work better when I'm actually doing one hand and the camera is, at the other angle. But I thought it would be helpful to have one at this angle as well. So I'm just working in here. So you can actually work down if you like. Just work down the esophagus here. And then, as I mentioned, we come here where we can sort of block off. See if you can see that. Right in there. So I showed you the line, and now I'm going to show you how I work it. All right, and just work it in one direction and come under the fourth toe, down under the fourth toe. Then, as I mentioned, once you work it, then you're doing like a backwards C all the way to the hip line. And so, as I've showed you, I worked it in one direction. And something I want to mention before I actually go to the other direction here is right in here is the pancreas. So you don't want to work in this area when you're working the stomach unless you're being very intentional about working the pancreas. So as I mentioned, just work here and come under the fourth toe and then curve around, and yeah, it's like a backward C. So that's the direction that you want to work. So you probably can't see this, but I'll try to demonstrate it. How I'm working here and then coming around here and working. So do it with hand. So that's working the stomach area, and again, working the esophagus and the mouth. And if you want to work in your tract, you can just rub right in this area, because your intestines and colon, everything is down in this area. So sometimes I know when people are working on their digestion, they also want to work in their tract. So that's an option as well. So I just wanted to be able to come and provide a quick demonstration of that for you. And hopefully that will help you, especially if you have any digestive problems, or actually can get out ahead of having any digestion problems. And as always, I love to feature my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It. You can secure a copy on Amazon, but there will be a link in the description below where you can secure a copy of this, and also check out my playlist with other bodyworks and wellness tips videos. So as always, I look forward to bringing you more videos of this nature soon. Have a great day.